Welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn to search a record from table and display it. For that we need to create a Windows form application and a database. If you want to learn how to create this form application and database, you can click on the I button. So for searching, I will be searching by using ID of the customer that we had created in the previous video. So for that I will need a text box in which this ID will be entered, and on the click of the button the record will be displayed in the labels given below. So here I am renaming the name of the labels. I had the table which had 3 columns: customer ID, customer name and customer address. So when you will enter the ID, it will display the customer name and address. Now we will double click on my button so that we can go to the click event of button 1. Here, to search the data, we need to first establish connection with SQL database, and then we will use select query and display the data. For using these classes for SQL connection and commands, we need to import our system.data.sql client. After that we will establish a connection by using SQL connection con is equal to new SQL connection, where we will specify our connection string. So in connection string you need to give the data source name, then location of your database, which you can get from the properties of the database, Next we will open the connection and give the SQL command. For that we will use SQL command. In SQL command we will give select query, select star from customer info where customer ID is equal to textbox1.text and give the connection object. So now we will execute this query. For executing it, we'll use execute reader. Execute reader will return the data which we will store in the SQL data reader object, that is dr. Then we will check if dr has rows. If there are records present in dr, then we will read that record and display that in the label given. So for displaying it in the label, we have to use getValue function. In getValue function, we have to pass on the index of our column. So here my column index is 1 and 2, and column index for our customer ID was 0 because it was our first column. Next is customer name and then customer address. So the column number will be 1 and 2. So we have, before printing it, we will have to convert it to the string. So I have used here toString function. Then we'll go to the else part of this loop, and if dr doesn't has any record, then it will display a record not found message in the label. Then finally we will close the connection and our program is done. Now let's run the program and see. So here I am first entering the customer ID. Now I will click on search button and you can see your record data is displayed below in the labels. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more content.